In this video, we will explore the Windows Studio effects features included with Copilot PCs. Windows Studio effects are a collection of features designed to present yourself in the best light and can be paired with video calling apps like Microsoft Teams. Let's have a look at how they work. From your Windows PC desktop, click on the Action pane in the lower right of the toolbar, then select Studio Effects. Keep in mind, you need to have a functioning camera on your Lenovo laptop, and, if available, your privacy filter needs to be turned off. Let's go back to the Studio Effects window. By clicking on the drop-down menu alongside the background effect option and selecting Standard, you are turning on a simple blur, which is meant to make the background less visible. By clicking on the drop-down again and selecting Portrait, you are enabling a subtle bokeh-style blur, meant to enhance your facial features while visually softening the background. If you know you'll be paying attention to something else while having your webcam on, you might want to enable eye contact by selecting Standard from the drop-down menu here. This feature will adjust the view direction of your eyes so that it looks like you are focusing on the screen, even though your attention might be somewhere else. The automatic framing option detects a person in the camera field of view and tries to keep them centered. This might be useful if you know you will be moving around during your calls. If you have a laptop with a Snapdragon X Elite processor or a Copilot AI Plus PC, like some Lenovo Yoga or ThinkPad models, you have access to 3 additional creative filters: Illustrated, Animated, and Watercolor. These creative filters are meant to give an artistic look to your overall appearance. To learn more about your Lenovo AI PC, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube or go to pcsupport.lenovo.com.